Letter C. Hi friends, how are you all today? I have come with a new drawing of burger. I know all of you love burger. Sleeping line and sleeping line. Let's make a burger C. 2 circles for eyes. Again curve. Now wavy line, again wavy line. Hamburger, start from the top and curve down. See the C curve. Now start with black sketch pen for outer line. Make all line clear and erase pencil lines. Draw a small circle inside the eye and color black. Now we will color the burger. Our burger is ready to color. Take the color orange, yellow or cayenne white. Oh, I left some shapes. Now start coloring orange border of the burger, then we'll color yellow and then white. Same, continue the down part. Because green means go. Red is stop. Now take dark and light green and color the leaves, then take a red and color the tomato. Color the ham in brown. Almost, our burger is ready. Burger. So today you all learned how to color burger. In our channel you will get small tutorial for drawing and coloring for small artists. Thank you for watching, like, share and subscribe. We will come with new drawing soon. Have a great day friends.